Hello dear kids. So lovely kids, you know we are revising our topic. So dear kids, we already learned about inside environment and outside environment. So lovely kids, which things we can see outside of the house, उसको हम आउटसाइड इन्वायरमेंट कहते हैं, और जो भी चीज़ें हमें दिखती हैं दे आर रिलेटेड टू आउटसाइड एनवायरनमेंट. नाउ इनसाइड एनवायरनमेंट इज जो चीज़ें हमें अंदर दिखती है, जो थिंग्स वी कैन सी इन द हाउस, सो वी कॉल इट इनसाइड एनवायरनमेंट. ओके, सो डियर किड्स, what you have to do is you have to take out my first book of the world around me. You can see this book and open the page number, yes, 23. So what is written over here? You can see here, draw a line from the object to where it belongs. You can see here indoor or outdoor. So lovely kids, two pictures are here, indoors and outdoors. You can see here sofa, table, this scenery, curtains, these all are things inside of the room. And here outdoor, what do you see in this picture? Yes, there is a house, trees are there, grass and road, or we can see space is there. So lovely kids, what we have to do, we have to see these pictures. This is a fan, this is a car, this is a swing, chula, lamp, this is a chair, and this is a tree. So lovely kids, we have to draw the things जो इंडोर में रिलेटेड है और जो आउटडोर से रिलेटेड है. सो दिस इज अ फैन, फैन विल गो, yes, indoor. In this picture you have to match. This is a car, yes, कार हम कहाँ खड़ा करते हैं? Very good, outdoor. So we have to draw like this. This is a swing, झूला. झूला mostly we can see out of the house, so outdoors. This is a lamp. So where should I put lamp? Yes, indoor. So you have to draw this line here. This is a chair. What is this, children? Chair. Chair we can say we can see outside also and inside also, but mostly we keep our chairs inside of the room, so indoor. With this table you can keep over here. This is a tree. Lovely kids, can we see the tree inside of the room? No, we can't see, because we can see trees outside of the house. So you can match with this picture. Okay, after that what you have to do, you have to turn the page and take page number, yes, page number 24. Okay, 24 page you have to take it out. So what is written over here? You can see here, circle the object that does not go with the others in each set. So lovely kids, what we have to do here? Okay, this is an electronic item. This is a iron. Okay, this is a toaster, electronic item, and this is a grinder, mixer we can say. Is this an electronic item? No. So what you have to do? We have to circle them. Here also, this is a table, this is a bed, this is a chair, this is a soft toy. So this toy is not belong this group. So we have to circle it. Here also, okay, so you have to complete this page, lovely kids. So here you can see this is eatable thing, noodles, this is a spoon we used to eat now, this thing, and this is a glass, okay, milk of glass, and this is a monkey. Monkey is totally different from this group, so we have to circle it. Okay, so come to the next. Here we can see this is a washing machine, electrical kettle, and this is a refrigerator. So orange is not belong this group. So we have to circle it. So children, it is little bit odd things, like odd things now we learned yesterday. So lovely kids, you have to complete this work and send it to me. And dear kids, you have to study every day. Keep smiling. Okay, bye.